Oh, the siren's already going. Let's get started. All right, we're going to embrace the wild city of New Orleans. Take some night photos. So hopefully stay out of trouble. We got the trolley car right here. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, so we're probably gonna stay around 1/125, an f1.4, definitely, and probably just fluctuate with ISO. Try to keep the ISO at 800 and below, best we can, but there's probably some darker scenes that might need to go up higher. But yeah, Viltrox 23mm, it's one of my favorite lenses. It's 23 times 1.6 crop. So that'll make it more like a like 38mm, somewhere around there. Took a photo here last time. I'm gonna try to recreate, but it's kind of slow now. Yeah, I could get something pretty sick out of this. We do it like this.
Cooler. 2 years ago, you know, all of August it was so hot. That's your cold cap as well.
Like that. The games are fast. All right. Let's see what we got right here. Jack's Hotel. Shoo! Got zooming. Kind of wild. Let me see if I can get a picture of that. There's a car right here. Kind of killing the vibe. Oh, I hate to go to 1600, but let's give it a shot. Alright, we're gonna go back down. Don't know about that one. Maybe a little too dark, but it's kind of cool. say this city will always keep you entertained. Oh, the neon signs right here.
We're about to
That'd be kind of cool.
yeah.
Cost to get that, cost about $100 for that picture, sir.
What are you talking about? What picture?
Ah, I'm joking.
You're looking good. You're looking good.
Thank you, man.
Get yourself some black frames.
Yeah, that's awesome. Gotta say, it's just crazy how much the city fluctuates. Goes from like madness to this totally chill area here. That's just kind of how New Orleans is. But we're on Mission Petty Cart. Cool shot at the Petty Cart, and I think work our way back to my hotel and wrap it up. There's a Petty Cart up here. All right. All right, and tonight I think we got to get one of our hotel. Perfect. Well, hope you enjoyed that. Let me know which ones are your favorite.